to my channel Mathematics Magic. Let us discuss today the second part of how to calculate the log of a number. Here we took a decimal number 4.35. Let us take log on both the sides. Then the thought processes will come like this. First part is, since 4.35 is a decimal number in this case, or the cases where you will get decimal point, ignore the decimal point. Then ignoring the decimal point, we will get a number like this, 435. Now, as the rules of log or rules of logarithm for calculating the value of a given number, we have to choose the first two values. The first two values here is 4343. So we have to check the 43, the value of 43 from log table. So here I have the log table. As I already discussed, you can use the log table from which is given with the practical copies like this. So this is my practical copy. So the log table which is given along with the practical copy, you can use those log tables also. No need to buy new log table right this moment, or you can download the log tables from in net also, because it is the online generation is going on. So in online classes we can use anything that we get online, or if you have class 9-10 log table copies at home, so you can take these log table pages from there. So now first of all we have to check where is 43. Okay, so the 43 we get it here. So once we get 43, then what we'll do, we'll either put a scale or a book or anything that will actually cover the values which is below 43. In the question we have 4.35. It means that we have to find out the value of column row wise 43 and column wise fifth column. So where is the fifth column? Since we know that the column starts here from 0, so 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth column. So fifth column of the 43, it is actually, what is the value given for fifth column? Let us count it from where? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 6, 3, 8, 5. This is the value. Now let us write down 6, 3, 8, 5 here. Then the value is, it will be here, from here it is 6, 3, 8 and 5. Now in this case you can see that we have only 3 digits altogether. So as there is no 4th digit, we will not going to check any number, because for 0 there is no value given in mean values table. So this is your mean value table. There is no value given for 0. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will have to put one decimal point before this 4th digit, and these 4 digits together with the decimal point, it is known as mantissa. Okay. So before decimal there is a place left out. This place we have to fill up, and this particular place, this is the number, whatever it will come here, it is known as characteristics. So we have mantissa and we have characteristics. Next what we have to do, we have to find out what will be the characteristics. So the question is, what will be the characteristic? How to find out? So here you can see that in this case, now we will not consider this one. We will go to the original value. Original value is 4.13. So here you can see that there is only one single integer. So to find out what is the characteristics, the next question that will come in the answer, to get this answer, get the answer of this question, we have one more question, and the question is, how many digits are there before decimal points. Okay, so the question in case of this, to answer this question we have to counter another question. The question, how many digits are there where before the decimal point given here. So before the decimal point means we can see that there is only one digit. Number of digit is only one. So from this particular point it was 4.35. We can write down there is only one digit. Okay, these things you don't have to write down in the copy. I am just writing to make you understand, and that digit is 1. Only one digit. So now according to the rule says that we have to subtract a 1 from the integer part, from the number of digits present in the integer part, that means before decimal point, and the whatever it will come you will have to put it in this vacant place. Okay, so in this case what will happen, we have one digit minus one digit, so it is 0. So here we will put 1 0. Okay, so ultimately log A is equals to 0.6385. Now let us go reverse. So reverse, how can we go? Let us find out the value of A. So to find the value of A, we have to find out NT log of 0.6385. So in this case again we need an NT log table, and the NT log table is like this. So here what is the value? Value starts from 0.663. So we will check where is 0.63 first. So here 0.63, up to this it is for 0.49. So next we will start here from 0.50 and it goes. This is your 0.63. So once we get 0.63, what we will do? We will put a scale or any book which can cover the other value below 0.63. Above is not needed. So after that, here we have 0.63 and this 8. 8 is the third value. It is the third value. The third. Okay. So the third value is 8. So the third value is 8 means what we have to do? From this particular case, for this particular case, we have to find out NT log of 0.63 and the value is on the 8th column. So NT logs 0.63 is 8th column. 8th column, here you can see that 8th column will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 and this 8. So 8th column means for 63, this is the 8th column's value. Or from this side, if we want to count, we have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your 0.63 value. Okay. So 0.63 value is, you will get 8th column's value as 43.45. 43.45. So this is the value. Okay, so 43.45. Now let us write down the value here. So it will be in this rough place. Let us write 4345. This is the value. Now after 4345, what we have to check? We have to check where the mean difference 5. You can see here mean difference value 5 is there. So where the mean difference fall? 4345 and the mean difference value for 4345 of column 5 is, it is equals to actually 6. Okay. So it will be equals to 6. Then let us write down the value 6 over here. Then let us add 5 plus 6, 11. Then 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Then it is what? 3 and it is 4. So ultimately this is your final value. So for this what we will write down? We will write it as 4, 3, 5 and 1. Now the time comes where we have to put the decimal point in case of antilog. So the rule says that in this case the question is what is the number written here? What is the number? The question will be what is the number? Okay, so what is the number? In this particular case it is 0. It could be 1, could be 2, could be 3. So the answer here is 0. Now according to the rule of log, what we know, with the number that is written in the characteristics place, what we have to do, we have to take that as n and we have to add 1. So ultimately it will be 0 plus 1 means 1. So what we will do with this one? This particular one signifies that after one point, decimal, you have to put the decimal point. So ultimately you get back A as 4.35. You can ignore this one. Then you can see that both the A are same. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for further videos.